So this is Ripple TV Nigeria, where we'll give you insightful news and story. So today we have stories of people who every day go out and eke out a living for themselves. They do the physical jobs that both of us might not necessarily want to do, but they do go ahead and do the needful. So today we have a welder with us who we are going to ask so many questions on why he do what he does, and also to see how we're going to trick his brain to really explain the reason behind why he do what he does. So come with me as we do this interview. We have the welder. I'm going to ask him some few questions. Let's meet you. What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Monday.
Okay, so Monday, for how long you don't do this work now?
I don't start this work since 2014. 2014.
That's like more than 6 years now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so why this work? Why you no go learn maybe tiling or carpentry, or why this particular work?
This one is the one that my mind led me to do. Because if I just do any other one, maybe I spend 10 years or 15 years there, maybe I would not even know what I'm doing there. So you know that everybody have their own destiny. Maybe this is the one that God chose for me.
Okay. But you on yourself, what did actually make you see this work, make you like and say, I want to do this work?
The reason why I like it, because first, I have to make door trophies so that if you see how the door is so beautiful and strong. I like the weather, and we used to make many things like container, all this kind of thing. Even for my own, I can do it for myself.
Come buy rolling brush for me.
Another person.
So some people they say the work na very because of it's like as this guy they work now, see fire come from that thing.
Yeah, you understand? So be sharp at the first.
You know the fear say this thing. So I haven't hear say I know run a true. Say this thing say if make person high down. That's what me say after the corner say I go buy my own glasses, make I wear them. I don't know just not true.
Yes, it's also true. You know that if you didn't have mind, you know that everything is mind. Okay. If you didn't have mind with this, you can't do it. And the world normally, if you are doing it, if you didn't maintain yourself, if you didn't have money to maintain yourself, it will cost a lot of things for you. And it's a job that if you do reach some stage that you change and do other business that will make this one not affect you. They also affect ways, they affect I also.
Okay, so what you don't talk now, you mean say you know go do this job for very very long time. Get where you go reach my it's okay if you don't tire for this work.
Yes, this is what I'm trying to say.
Okay. So can you share to us maybe anything you want to go into in the future? Maybe after maybe you don't gather the whole money you don't get. In the future, what that you won't go into?
I would like to do business.
So why won't you leave the work? Is it because of say the risk, the hazard, or money no dey inside, or you say because the risk will dey involved for the work?
It's not that the money not dey inside the work. There is money in the work, but the work, like as I said, is not the work that you normally carry out. When you do and reach some stage that you have money that you can establish business, so that because the work also it affects someone, used to affect someone for waste also. It's not only problem.
What do you mean by waste?
It can cause a wastage for you.
I think maybe the function or something.
No, it's not like that.
Okay. Then finally, what you want? How do you want to make government take contribute to what you do? Maybe in terms of maybe they're giving a compound power, or maybe they're giving a loan or something. How do you want to make government help now for this work?
I would like government to help us because normally now the way things hard now, material costs will not pay. Even the work that you do to have small something to help yourself now, you can't have the money again. So many people have complained because if you charge someone, they will say that the money is too much, and which is not our fault, and everything costs. So we didn't know how to do it. We beg government to help us in this country. Let them make everything there normal. Yes, it's not for only us, for many people also. So it makes some people leave their work that they are doing. It makes some people think a lot of things. It makes people lose their many things. So for we, because of the grace of God that we are still in this job.
Thank you very much, man. Thank you.
Too late. No, go buy shovel. Too late. Now one second.
So let's meet the second person who also a welder, and let's get to hear from his experiences. Okay, let's meet you. What's your name?
My name is Mr.
So Engineer Chima, how long you done dey into this world? Wow, that's a very long time. So what make you learn this work? Why not learn, like I asked the first person, why not learn Mason or Tyler?
So no need to learn another one because I have done many work, test all of them, and I know that this one is my destiny. That's the reason I learned this one. And as I learned this one, I have seen my future into the work, and the work is moving how that I want it. As you can see, all this place now, you can see workers, you see all the doors and windows everywhere. You know what I'm saying? You can go to another place, maybe if you want to, how many places in Katape, and I cannot see the place in the group like this side. This side is good because of now everybody have their own destiny. As you have a future destiny for the wedding work, that is everywhere.
So because of the risk of this work, you don't ever get any accidents for this work. Let's say you do welding, fire burn you, you go weld your hand. Because some people now they fear this work. Like me, I fear this work. So you don't ever get that kind of accident.
Yes, because if you don't have mine, you cannot do this work. Because there was a certain time I went to connect light for somebody to do work. The light shocked me, and I continue to do the work. I continue because I have mine to do the work. If I don't have mine, I can leave the place and go because I have the mind. That is easy. I do the work and continue to do the work. Even though, as I tell you, as a meter we're using here now, before we can put card, the card can last for us like a 5 days. Now we can put card like a 5,000 naira. It cannot last amount that. Then it's going to 2 days. You understand? Because of how the situation of the leader is moving.
Alright, so Mr. Chima, thank you very much. We appreciate it. Alright, so you've had it all. You've heard from both persons, speaking from their different experiences on how they go out every day to earn a living for themselves. These are the handy people, they do the handy jobs, and they make life meaningful for both me and you. So this is Grant reporting for People TV Nigeria. Please don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to click on our bell button. See you next time. Bye-bye.